אחת יותר מוקדמת, זה זאת. ככה. תראי לך את זה מול העין. מה את רואה? אחת בבקשה. לאן אתם צופים? עשינו את זה על האוזניים. בראש, הגוף בעצם זוכר את מה שראית, ונבקש ממך עכשיו ללכת שוב It seems to have a strong residual effect, which is in fact a learning process, the memory process. Using the device obviously does something to the brain. It forms neuronal connections, if you will, and when the patient is done with the little exercise and puts the device aside and would start walking on his own, he would still have the same effect. It so happened that patients have been calling us a week after the experiment, telling us that they're still walking on the tiles in their mind. So it does have this strong memory and learning effect.
זה חולה היה בהתקף, ואז הציפייה היא שיש לו את כל אבל כמה RNA. Now I should elaborate and mention that gait or walking problems can be due to different reasons. It can be because of weakness of the legs. It can be because of muscle spasm, or spasticity as we call it. It can be due to sensory problems when the patient cannot feel the floor appropriately. Or it can be, and this is what actually was the focus of our study, because of disequilibrium, of imbalance. Now, among the options that a physician or neurologist can offer the patients, we are very limited in what we can offer to date to patients with gait problems. And actually, there is nothing, no treatment, no drug, and no medication for gait disturbances due to imbalance.
A person walks on a tiled floor,
yes.
What he sees is the floor coming towards him at his speed. If he walks faster, there's the eye, of course, that sees the display of the tiled floor. As you can see, most of the patients improve with the red compared to the white.
בצד איזה אחד...
עכשיו?
עכשיו יותר טוב. הרגשתי יותר יציבה, יותר טוב, ויותר ביטחון ויותר שליטה. כי ראיתי, אני הולכת למעשה רגיל, לא הרגשתי שהיו לי תוספות.
טוב, פה יכול להיות שבאמת לא טענו את הסוללה מראש.
I would say it creates alternative pathways through the brain. Obviously, in such patients, there are areas in the brain which are not functioning. And what you create by the visual cues and the auditory cues are alternative pathways going through those senses which apparently re-establishes a brain-muscle connection which is more effective than those damaged areas.
התמונה יותר יפה. כן, כי זה על שתי העיניים. כן, כן, אני מבין. תלכי על המשבצות, כאילו, על המשבצות, ואז ההליכה קצת מתעסקת.
ככה אני הולכת.